Rivet, rivet, rivet. I don't know why I'm not talking. This just takes forever, man. Woo. But it's moving. This is just a bad angle. It's hard to hold and do things properly. Get a groove, it starts going pretty quick, but there's just no fast way to do a few thousand rivets, man, like this. These tungsten bucking bars, like this little guy, weighs more than this big thing by quite a bit. Like this is actually probably 3/4 of that weight. They're not cheap though. That's like 250 bucks for that little thing right there. But it's worth it. It's like, I guess I just need to stop trying to, sometimes you just tap them and it's too much. So. Last one I'll leave out because I got to put a spar in here. I'm starting to kind of visually tell when I'm right. Like I can always tell when I go over, definitely, because I can tell. And I'm almost there with the sight picture for these things. And hope I'm not making funny faces with my mouth. Just a little bit more. Of course, now that I say it, I'm probably doing it. Okay, perfect though. Sporting my friend One Legged Aviation's t-shirt. I don't know what they call the penguin, or not penguin, the flamingo. I don't know if they call him Clico or what they're, rivet or something like that. I don't know what he's calling it. So I'm not even gonna attempt. Yep, can always tell. All right. It's like 80-something rivets. So anyways, I'm gonna stop there. Just wanted to show you guys the whole process for that. Cheers.